This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have the iPhone 14 Pro and updated iOS. Start now by opening Measure or your LiDAR app. First, make sure camera permissions are granted and the lens is clean so the sensor reads correctly. Once done, hold the phone steady and begin in a well-lit area. LiDAR works better with some ambient detail. Move to about 0.5 to 3 meters from your subject and point the rear camera. Make sure the sensor area isn't blocked by cases or grips so the scan begins without errors. You'll want to scan methodically. Move slowly in smooth arcs while keeping the subject centered on screen. Jerky motion degrades point clouds. As you go, include reference points like corners or markers so the app can align frames, move closer for fine detail, and back up for overall scale. Also, switch between wide and telephoto lenses when available to capture both texture and context. Make sure overlapping passes cover every area by about 30 to 50%, so the software stitches down. When you finish scanning, save the session and export in the format you need, like OBJ or PLY for downstream editing. Many apps also let you decimate or fill holes before export. If you spot missing areas, rescan just those spots with tighter, slower passes and then merge. If something goes wrong, try these fixes. Close and reopen the app, clean the LiDAR window, toggle camera permissions, and reboot the phone if needed. These steps resolve most sensor or software hiccups quickly and reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.